What's up, everybody? Here at the local park again, doing some geocaching with the old lady. Decided to do a little metal detecting, you know, enjoying this nice beautiful day. Very first signal I get, using the Teknetics again. Get a nice 90-91 signal here, a couple inches down. I don't know if you see that, but that would be a dollar coin. That makes the third from this area this year. Definitely a cool find. Here's a pretty weird find I just stumbled up across. Bunch of bones here. Probably from maybe a deer or something. Possum, who knows, yeah. It's pretty cool though. Alright guys, got another target here. This one was a couple inches down. Another little, looks like a 22 shell. Pretty cool. Well, I got a target here. It's kind of jumping all over the place. It was showing it being real shallow, and there it is. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a knife. It's like a butter knife. Not sure if it's stainless or not, but it looks like just a common. Pretty cool. Alright, got a 77, 78 on the detector here. Pretty shallow. Probably gonna be a penny. Maybe a pop cap. Nope. Neither. This looks like, nope, it's a penny. Thought it was silver there at first. It was white on the back. It's actually the newer shield pennies. See that? Pretty cool though.